200,000 people look up linen shirts every single month, and I found a Shopify store absolutely killing it in this niche. Now, as I just told you, the demand behind this specific fashion trend is literally massive, and right now is the best time to start selling these because it peaks in around July at 300,000 monthly searches. That's a lot of searches. That's a ton of demand. And this shirt specifically, they seem to be drop shipping. I've done a little bit of research here, and I'm going to dissect it for you so that we can basically learn from it and then apply some of these things to our own businesses. So the store is called Lintico, and as you see by their traffic distribution, they're getting about 100,000 monthly visitors from the US, Canada, and Australia. Those are the three top markets, which is pretty interesting. They seem to be targeting multiple markets. That's really interesting. Now, their product images are beautiful. These are pretty much AI, if I had to guess. And that's the most amazing thing about today's day and age. In fact, I just tweeted about this. I said, we are in the AI leverage era. One-person Shopify store plus AI tools, 1.1K at 6% CVR, 35% margins while I'm still having breakfast. I just tweeted this like 20 minutes ago. This is one of the stores that I have. I have several of these stores, and I'm always building more. And that's why I like to make these videos, because I'm building tools around this ecosystem so that you do this yourself, and then so that we can also build stores together in the future if you're a talented person. Otherwise, you can just do it on your own and keep trying by yourself. But I'll still keep making videos and try to help as many people out as possible through these. Anyways, you can see that's exactly what's happening, and this is the exact approach that I take. I find stores like these, and I just find a lot of demand. So that's the first thing that we can learn from this brand, is that they are just capitalizing on the demand behind this trend, right? So you can see a lot of their reviews don't look too real, and this looks like AI to me, which is not something I would necessarily recommend. But again, we're just trying to learn about the marketing here, and the scrappiness of this brand. They have a lot of things going on, and they've built a actually really solid brand presence and brand image, and that's the most amazing thing about the AI tools that you can use today. Now, the main way that these guys actually advertise or drive traffic to their store is through Meta. So if we go to their Facebook page, we can see, if we click on their name, then we go to transparency, and then we go to ad library here, we can see all the ads that they're currently running. And as you see here, they're running a lot of ads, 270 different active ads. These guys are no beginners. These guys are seasoned marketers, and they have a really, really good ad copy here. It's all super branded. That's like the thing. This does not seem like a drop shipping store. And that's one of the things that I want to demystify. I actually hate the word drop shipping these days, because the reality is that you can build a brand no matter how you fulfill your orders, right? You can build a brand where people come back, believe it or not, even if it takes a little bit longer to ship your products, so long as you're providing a customer experience that is congruent and that, people like. That's really all a brand is to me. It's just, are people coming back to shop on your store because they like the vibe or the products? Yes, you got a brand. That's what it is to me, at least. But let me know what you think about that. And as you see, a lot of these videos are using Kling, is my guess. They're probably using Kling for some of these videos. And one interesting thing is that they're actually linking to WhatsApp. So, this is an organic post that they posted yesterday, and the call to action is to WhatsApp. So they must have some sort of agent that is selling people on WhatsApp, sort of like a custom, stylist. That's such a brilliant idea, actually, for something like this. Now, you can use something like Smart Reply actually to do that. Smart Reply is an AI support agent that can lock in on all your channels, your Instagram DMs, your Facebook ad comments. It can hide things, it can reply to things, and it'll do it way better than a human. And one interesting thing about this is there's a free tool here. This is what I use for research a lot of the times on smartreply.io. There's a free tool here where you can see the top organic posts now and some of the negative comments that people are getting, and positive comments too. So if we scroll down, we can see some people are saying, thank you, love this style. A lot of people talking in French here, very gorgeous indeed. So people love just seeing their posts, right? That's one little thing I'm taking away, is that just by having beautiful posts that people like, you're providing value to people. People love just viewing these styles. As simple as that. But as you see, they're not doing a great job at answering emails, at answering comments. A lot of people have a lot of, concerns that they are not addressing. And they should totally just use Smart Reply because it will do it all for them. I'm a proud owner of Smart Reply. I'm not the lead developer or anything. I just got involved in this software because I use it on all my stores. And, I figured, you know what, this is a great company. I need to be a part of this if I can. And luckily I was able to. So I recommend you guys use it as well. Anyways, as you see here, this is one of their best-selling products, the linen shirt. They're just really capitalizing on this. So they have like the SEO title, right? They're capitalizing on the demand behind this trend, but they're also giving it a branded name, Joanna. So they call this shirt the Joanna. Let's look at their best sellers and see some of their best-selling products. With their Facebook ads, though, one thing I do want to mention is the cool thing about the Meta Ads library now, which is also free, is that it's sorted by impressions. This is a new feature they added a few months back. So we know that these videos are their highest impression videos. And believe it or not, guys, these are AI. I mean, I can't guarantee that it's AI, but like I pretty much can because I make these kind of videos myself. My team does as well. I also own an agency. That's actually what I mainly did for a long time. But then with the agency team, we started building our own stuff. And now that's my main focus. It's a lot more fun. We turned it into a bit of a studio, but we still run ads for some brands. We still have a dozen clients or so where we run their Google ads and their Meta ads and their TikTok ads too. You shouldn't use an agent for that yet. It's the agent recommendations like Manus. They just give you terrible recommendations. And yeah, this is AI. It just looks super good though, which is what you can do with Kling and tools like that these days. But these are their highest impression ads. This is a really interesting one, right? Because it's very, very simple. I mean, anybody could make an ad like this. And I'll actually show you how right now. Basically, I use this sourcing platform. So for these stores that I'm showing you, right, like this one right here, I use a sourcing agent platform called TeamDraw. This is my favorite because basically they are just your agent in China that can help you source products, list them to your store, and even ship these directly from your manufacturer or their warehouse to your customer anywhere in the world, which is super convenient because then I don't have to order inventory and I can just keep a lot of the cash flow that's coming in from my business. That's the biggest problem with e-com I see as like a source of income. If you're looking at it as a source of income, is that if you have to constantly be reinvesting your profits into inventory, you never actually get to take money out of the business. So that's why I really like this model. It's super lean. And it's a one-person store with AI tools and a lean supply chain like what I'm showing you here. I'll leave a link for these guys in the description. It's 100% free to use. So just browse the platform, see if you can find some products that you like and add them to your store. What I've done is I found this fit linen cotton t-shirt, right? So this is a cotton blend with linen as well. So it's 55% linen. It's a beautiful shirt. I would, wear this maybe. And what I've done is I've just copied this image, right? And then I use a software like draftpie.com. This uses Nano Banana Pro, but so you can just use Nano Banana Pro or whatever software you want to use. Higgsfield, there's tons of them out there. But I really like DraftPie because I can make 3 at a time. I can make like up to 50 at a time with a very simple prompt. So all I did for this prompt, for example, I like this image. This one looks really nice. Like this one actually looks real. And basically, I'll show you what I did for the prompt. I just said, add this shirt to a 30-year-old male model on a modern house with a beach view. That's it. And I just pasted the supplier image, and then that's what it created. So fashion is a really great niche because of this. The only downside of fashion for e-com is the returns, but you can address that creatively. I think these guys, for example, they ship from, an overseas warehouse, such as what I just showed you. But I don't know what they do for returns. I am curious to see their return policy. So let me see, return and refund. Time frame, returns and exchanges within 30 days of delivery, non-eligible items, no returns on promotional, clearance, or any sale items. So products that are on sale, they don't accept returns for. That's pretty crazy. But that makes sense. You can do whatever you want with your brand. And I don't suggest you do that. I think returns are good to do, but they can be a hassle. Either you can just send them to a forwarding agent. There's a lot of companies that do that. Or you can, send them to your own house, or if you have a 3PL setup, you can do that as well. But this is actually nice. I really like this return page. It's very clear and it tells you everything you need to know. So these guys have built a beautiful brand. If you own this brand, you guys are amazing. I would love to work with you, either at our agency or whatever. I'm always happy to work with people that are talented and building cool stuff like this. This is very well done. I showed you a lot of resources. Hopefully you use them. Hopefully you take advantage of the time that we live in and you found this valuable in any way. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments. I'm happy to answer any questions. And you can also ask me in my Discord. So if you go to shopylab.ai, this is a Shopify learning platform and a research platform as well, and community. If you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see a Discord icon here, and you can join this for absolutely free. I'm super active in our general chats. Other entrepreneurs are in there as well. It's really fun, and honestly, I love our free community. So make sure you join that. It's free, like I said. So with that being said, that's pretty much all I got for today. Don't want to waste your time. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.